So here it is. So as I was walking, I heard the Lord say, look down, and I looked down. And I put these back down, but I looked down and I saw these two rocks. I looked down. I mean, I heard the Lord say, look down. And I looked down and I heard the Lord say, pick up these two rocks. And I picked them up. And this is unbelievable. I mean, you got to be kidding me. Two rocks out of all these rocks. They were split. This rock was two separate rocks sitting on the ground in a riverbed with trillions of rocks. And I heard the Lord say, look down. And my spirit, and then I saw these and I heard the Lord say, pick up those two rocks. I just burst into tears. I didn't know what else to do. How in the world? It's a rock that's, I'm going to put it there we go. Look. That's insane. Glory to God. Document, I'm going to pick up the LZ, which is way beyond that big tree. But I want to document something. I want y'all to look down for a sec. Look at all these. Look at the rocks. Look at all these rocks. This is nothing but rocks. Can you imagine, out of all these rocks, looking down and seeing two rocks that were black and hearing the Lord say, pick them up, and picking them up, and what you picked up was a rock that had been split in half, the size of a 50-cent piece. That's impossible. But it happened. How bizarre is this? I'm here to pick up the LZ, and look at this. One half is completely clean. The other half is completely dirty. And look at the dirt, how it's concentrated to the part of the one triangle. Like look at the triangle on that half. It's you can see the triangle, it's all dirt. And then right down the middle, straight in the middle of the X is a line, and then the other half is clean. That's just crazy. It's par for the course. Okay, now look, straight down the middle. Look at that. In the dead center, right down the middle is where the water from a rain, I guess, that happened. Now let me show you this. On this side that's all clean, the red triangle that's all clean, look. The stream is running now. Water is running. This water was not running. Past several days I've come down here, you'll see in the videos, there's no water running. I'll make streams in the desert. Pools out of dry ground, rivers out of dry ground. And it's running. It's literally running. It's moving. That's insane. I think this is absolutely insane. That half, that triangle's filthy dirty. The water came straight down the middle, literally in the very center of the X. But on this side where the red triangle's clean, this is where the stream is running now. The stream is literally running now. This is mind-boggling. Glory to God. Oh, glory to God. Look at that. That's just insane. Unbelievable.